Hello. ed1stop is Contra Costa County's portal to electronic learning resources. The first step when you get to ed1stop is to log in as a teacher. Teacher logins are different than student logins. We'll get into that later. Accept conditions, and when you get to the main screen, you see that there are a number of tabs. You won't see administration, but you will see the other tabs that I'm pointing to now. They include Home, Common Core, Curriculum, Project Help, Textbooks, Reference, Professional Resources, and Parents. On the home page, which is where by default you open to, you will see Bookmarks and My Students Bookmarks. Bookmarks refers to you, the teacher. My Students Bookmarks, you guessed it, refer to the bookmarks your students will be using. We'll skip Common Core for now and go to Curriculum Support, where you'll probably spend most of your time and most of the time directing students. Learn 360 and Discovery Education are some of the greatest tools. Let's go there now. If you click on Curriculum Support, you'll have this default dialog. Click on Discovery Education first. A new screen pops open. In this screen, you can now search Discovery Education's over 400,000 videos, 40,000 videos rather. Let's look for Glacier. Quick search, and you will see that a whole number of video segments as well as full videos come up. In almost all cases, you will use video segments rather than entire videos. When you're at home as a teacher, you will probably browse full videos. We'll minimize this. It goes down into the taskbar. Let's look at Learn 360. Learn 360 is a complementary video library. That is, it has a whole number of videos that Discovery Education doesn't, and it's well worth the price of exploring this. If we look at Glacier here and search using a quick search tool, you will see a large number of different videos. You have full videos and you also have tags. You can, just like Discovery Education, sort or narrow your search by grade level, subject area, media format, etc. So you have a great deal of customizability. We will minimize this. Notice that Discovery, or rather ed1stop, is still open. If you go to Project Help, in Project Help, you will see all the tools that people would use for productivity. AP Images is the Associated Press's image archive. If you want primary sources, this is the place to go. Do you need a photo of Facebook, for example? Mark Zuckerberg, because you're doing social media and its effect. Here it is with full citations. You can go back and you can search for just about anything. So if you want Civil War, which is not current, this is what you get. Talking about Civil War in Salvador. Talk about modern context. We will minimize this. Notice in reference, we go to WorldBook Online, launch WorldBook Online, and notice that you have 4 versions, 3 in English, 1 in Spanish. WorldBook Kids is pretty much K through 4, K through 5. Student would be 5 through 10, 11, or 12. WorldBook Advanced would be for students that are doing honors or AP-like work. So 3 different interfaces. In WorldBook Kids, notice the easy search mechanism that you have here. So if you do Glacier, You have an enormous amount of information that's related to, we'll say, kid search. Here, ice is frozen water, for example. Well, let's say you talked about a fjord. What is it? Here's a picture, a short article, etc. You can print, you can save, you can do all kinds of things. For many students, WorldBook Student will be the preferred mechanism for getting in. Search here for Glacier. You have articles, a dictionary, maps, tables, pictures, videos, all kinds of things. Everything from Glacier National Park, Jasper National Park because it has glaciers, icebergs. It is written in a language that's accessible to students. It's constantly updated. Many of these pictures can be used in student PowerPoints or presentations or other sources. Close that. Professional resources is something that you will want to explore. CTAP, for example, TCAL, resources for administrators or teachers, lots of things. And parents. You say, but this is my teacher account. Yeah, and we'll show you how parents and students can access this later. That's it for this movie. We'll get into more specific stuff next movie.